Have you ever been scammed and felt completely helpless? You're not alone. Millions of people lose money to scammers every year. But here's the good news. There are steps you can take to recover your money and hold scammers accountable. In today's video, we'll show you exactly what to do if you've been scammed and answer the big question. Can the police really help? Scams are everywhere, online, over the phone, even in person. Did you know that in 2023 alone, over $8 billion was lost to online scams globally? That's more than double the amount lost just 5 years ago. The key to fighting back is acting fast. The faster you respond, the better your chances of getting your money back. The first thing you need to do is contact your bank or payment provider. If you used a credit card, you might be able to initiate a chargeback. This process allows you to dispute the transaction and recover your money if the scam can be proven. Banks and payment providers often have fraud departments that can freeze transactions or recall funds, but you have to act quickly, sometimes within 24 to 48 hours. If you paid through a wire transfer, reach out to your bank immediately. In some cases, they can stop the transfer or retrieve the funds. Don't forget to check if your payment method offers buyer protection. Platforms like PayPal often have safeguards in place for fraud cases. But what about reporting the scam? This step is critical. File a complaint with your local police department. While they might not always be able to recover your money directly, having an official police report is essential. Banks, payment platforms, and even cybercrime units often require this to take your case further. If the scam happened online, don't stop at the police. Report the incident to specialized agencies like the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center, IC3, in the US, Action Fraud in the UK, or similar platforms in your country. These agencies specialize in tracking fraud and cybercrime, increasing the chances of holding scammers accountable. Here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that scammers often rely on the anonymity of online platforms? Reporting them to the platform where the scam occurred, whether it's eBay, Amazon, or social media, can disrupt their operations. These platforms sometimes refund victims or ban fraudulent accounts. For international scams, the process gets trickier, but don't give up. Report the scam to your country's cybercrime unit, which has tools to trace scammers across borders. While international recovery can be slow, building a case helps authorities crack down on recurring offenders. Here's a surprising fact. Only 15% of scam victims report the fraud. That means billions of dollars go unclaimed each year. By reporting your case, you're not just helping yourself, you're contributing to the fight against scammers. If you've lost a significant amount, consider hiring a professional. Lawyers or recovery experts can sometimes negotiate with banks or track scammers, but beware of fake recovery services. Yes, scammers scam victims again. Always verify their legitimacy. While the police and cybercrime units are helpful, there are limitations. They often prioritize large-scale scams or cases involving organized crime. But don't lose hope. Your report adds to their database. They could catch the scammer in a future case. Let's talk prevention. Scammers prey on trust and urgency, so always verify before making payments. Use secure payment methods and avoid wiring money unless you are absolutely certain about the recipient. Remember, legitimate companies don't ask for payments through gift cards or cryptocurrency. Did you know that 70% of scams could be avoided with better cybersecurity practices? Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and think twice before clicking to suspicious links. Educate yourself on trending scams in your area. Knowledge is your best defense. So, can the police help you recover money from scammers? The answer is yes, but with some limitations. Local police and cybercrime units are essential in documenting and investigating scams, and platforms like banks and payment providers rely on their reports to act. While recovering your money isn't always guaranteed, taking immediate steps and reporting the fraud significantly improves your chances. Remember, time is critical. Act fast, stay informed, and always be vigilant. Have you ever dealt with a scam? Share your story in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on staying safe and protecting your finances. Let's fight back against scammers together.